Christmas in Osaka? Let's find out. Hey everyone, this is the Costco Samurai. Today I'm obviously not in Costco, but stepping into the magnificent wonderland of Christmas in Osaka. From dazzling displays to holiday magic, I'll be your guide through this festive journey. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And for my Japanese friends listening in English, enjoy and have fun. So we have the window displays up at Hankyu in Umeda. I love this particular time of year where I remember as a kid in Chicago, I love going to downtown Chicago to see the displays, the Christmas displays. Here they do such a wonderful job. Again, kind of like an Alice in Wonderland theme. I believe these puppets are made in Prague, or a Japanese designer living in Prague, and every year they make these wonderful window displays, quirky. Families love it. The weather is still warm and comfortable, not the usual frosty winter chill you'd associate with Christmas. I step into Umeda Hankyu on a bright November weekend, jacket unzipped, and I'm greeted by the first displays. Alice is wandering yet again, this time in a Christmas wonderland. It's surreal, whimsical, and slightly offbeat like the best parts of the holiday season. Christmas with a twist. I muse, the warmth of nostalgia already creeping in. The next displays pull me into a steampunk dream. The gift factory is alive with spinning gears, puffing steam, and a kind of industrial elegance that screams crafted magic. I lean in, taking in every detail. Now this, I mutter with a grin, is a proper workshop. Santa would be jealous. Onward to the ballroom. Puppets dressed in elaborate gowns waltz mid-spin, frozen yet full of life. The grandeur of all sweeps me up. Subtlety, I say aloud, almost laughing. Not here. This is a Christmas spectacle, unapologetically extravagant, and I love it. The next stop is chaos in motion. The kitchen, pots clatter, pans fly, and the ingredients seem to have a life of their own. If Christmas dinner were a Broadway show, I'd chuckle. This would be the opening act. Messy, dramatic, and utterly delightful. Then comes the tree, except it's no ordinary tree decked with teacups and nonsensical baubles. It feels like a fever dream straight from Wonderland. Now this, I say nodding, is how you do unconventional, odd, but undeniably perfect. Finally, I pause at the ribbon display. There it is, I think. The heart of Christmas. Not just gifts, but stories and connections wrapped up and tied with meaning. I breathe deeply, letting it all sink in. This place is pure magic for families. Watching kids' faces light up, mesmerized by the displays, reminds me of being a kid back in Chicago, walking along Michigan Avenue to see the Christmas windows. That same feeling of wonder, like anything, is possible. That's what brings this out. It's timeless, unforgettable, and exactly what the season is all about. Comment below if you know the story of Alice in Wonderland. And again, if you want to see this window display here in Osaka, this is by the Hankyu department store. Osaka is a holiday wonderland of Christmas. So if you're here in Japan, feel free to check it out. It's a great place to bring the kids. And enjoy. Take care, everybody. This is the Costco Samurai. Have a great day. Christmas is here in Osaka. Ceiling decorations. And they all light up every top of the hour, synchronized to Christmas music. And that's a wrap. Our journey with this whimsical, magical wonderland of Christmas here at Umeda Hankyu. From steampunk gift factories to surreal Christmas trees, this place has something that stirs the imagination of both kids and grown-ups. It's more than a display, it's an experience, a reminder of the joy and wonder the season can bring. Thanks for joining me, the Costco Samurai, on this festive adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoy the magic of the season. Bye-bye.